We got the blue thingy. We're gonna put him in the water. See how he does. Yeah, you want to dip him down in there?
Push.
It's not hot on my shoulders.
It's kind of hot, so just let it go. He'll be okay.
It's kind of hot.
Do you need to wipe your hand off?
I'll get you a Kleenex. Oh, yeah. He's growing.
Watching? Are you watching? Oh, here he comes. He's hatching. He's hatching out of the egg. You can use your little glue to dip him down in there. Is that lid on? But he's eating a peanut, I think.
Push him down with that. So you don't have to touch it.
The water's hot.
Whoa, he's growing. He's growing. Whoa, what is it gonna be?
What do you think?
What is he?
Oh, the lid came off, Papa. Careful, don't reach in there. It's kind of hot. Dada will help you.
Oh, come on.
Did it twist? Does it twist?
There. What is it?
Push him down in there. He grew a tail.
What is he?
What is he, Mama?
I think he's a dinosaur. Is he born yet? Oh, he's still gooey. Ugh. It's like a real baby being born. Yuck. You know, you were pretty gooey when you came out. All right.
3 years ago.
Tell it, Corey, how old are you?
3.
At 9:30 in the
Tell the
morning.
camera, say.
3.
And what'd you say this morning?
3 with long hair.
Say it again. Say it loud so she can hear you.
3 with long hair.
3 with long hair. Okay, your dinosaur is born.
Yay!
Oh
my goodness.
He's for
You can hold
you.
him, yeah.
I want this one
He's your
now.
baby
Do another one.
dinosaur.
Thanks, Aunt Corey.
Cool stuff.